Now, it is my great pleasure to continue to present the next award, and also the very, very important award issued by ACL. That is a lifetime award announcement. So let me briefly introduce this ACL Lifetime Achievement Award. This award was instituted in 2002 and has been given every year since then. The award is conferred to recognize the work of a researcher who has made sustained and impactful contribution to the field of computational linguistics and natural language processing. The ACL Lifetime Award Committee will nominate and select at most one award recipient every year, considering the originality, depth, breadth, and impact of the entire body of the nominees' work in computational linguistics and natural language processing. After deliberating over a period of a few months, the committee chose Dr. Ron Kaplan as the ACL Lifetime Award winner of 2019. Next, it's my pleasure to introduce Dr. Ron Kaplan. So, Dr. Ron Kaplan's career is a notable mixture of scientific achievement, service to ACL in senior capacities, and influential direction of research in research organizations. His scientific contributions include models of grammar for ATNs and general syntactic processor, and the development of active chart parsing with Martin Kay, the theory of lexical function grammar with John Brisna, the grammar writer's workbench and the core language engine, and the development of the mathematical, linguistic, and computational foundations of finite state methods in application to phonological and morphological system of a grammar, as well as their role in phonological and morphological system developed by Chomsky and Haley and Kosko-Niemi, respectively. He has served as the president of ACL and is an inaugural ACL fellow. He also has supervised research activities in several laboratories, including Amazon, where he is a vice president and chief scientist in Amazon Search, and Nuance Communications, PowerSite, startup, but later on acquired by Microsoft as a division of Microsoft, and at the Palo Alto Research Center. He received his bachelor's degree in 1968 in mathematics and language behavior from the University of California, Berkeley, and his master's in 1970s and PhD in 1975 in social psychology from Harvard University, and currently he is an adjunct professor in linguistics in Stanford University. On behalf of ACL, I want to take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude to Dr. Ron Kaplan for his enormous contribution to this society. We are very proud of his widely recognized accomplishments in promoting ACL and NLP over the years. Please join me to congratulate Ron Kaplan for his Supreme Award of ACL.